Hi, welcome to Bamfordrose and another question of the week. This question is about upgrading side sills on a V8 Vantage. You can see the picture of a standard car. Some people like to have the sills filled out a little bit at the bottom to make the car look a bit more masculine, a bit wider stance. This is all personal preference. There's a lot of people out there that like the purist look of the V8 in its original form. But if you're thinking of upgrading your sills, then there are a couple of options. So first option, as you can see in the picture here, is N400. This was off the N400 model and was available as an accessory since then. The next is V12 Vantage or V8 Vantage S sill, and you can see that in the picture here. Both sills are quite different. The V12 has a portion at the back which sort of sticks out, makes it look a bit more angular, whereas the M400 a bit more sculpted. Both of them have completely different looks, so as you can see now we're just switching between standard M400 and V12 Vantage S, so you can see each different style and hopefully get a better idea of which one would more suit your car.